Hey Jeepers, so we're gonna get our install started. And to do that, the first thing we have to do is remove the lower air dam. That's held on by 6 clips and 2 8mm bolts. So let's go ahead and take that off. So now we need to remove your splash guards. This is accomplished by taking a 7mm socket and removing 6 bolts. So now that you got your splash guard off, we need to remove the factory fog light. To do that, you're going to use a T20 Torx bit and remove the 3 or 4 bolts that hold it to the bumper. So to get these installed, we actually have to change the bracket from the 4-post that comes with it to the 3-post sport style Jeep bracket. And to do it, all you need is a flat blade driver. So to do this, you're going to take the screw and loosen it up. And we're going to get our screwdriver under here, pull and pry. So now that you've taken your screw all the way out, and that's done. So repeat for the other one. Alright guys, now that we have our fog lights in, we need to connect them. Now we do make a T-harness that's going to make this a plug-and-play operation. The JP-JFOG will give you both sides to the Jeep and to our aftermarket headlights. So let's go ahead and get that installed. Okay, now that we have everything hooked up, there's one more thing we need to do, and that's actually pull the wire for our RGB controller. You can pull that from the bumper to the area over by the battery where we have our controller mounted. So let's go ahead and get that started. All right, now that we've got our wires run, we need to install our controller. That means hooking up your triggers, power, and ground. Let's go ahead and get that started. Now that we have everything hooked up, let's go ahead and test it. Make sure that the RGB is working and your fog lights are working. Okay, so now that we have our fog light mounted and wired up, we're gonna go ahead and test it. So first click is gonna activate our DRL. Working perfectly. And push the button in is gonna activate the fog lamp. All right, and that alignment looks good too. Okay, now that that's completed and all your testing's done, we need to finish our installation. To do that, you start by reinstalling your splash guards under the fenders, and then finish by installing your lower air dam, just in the reverse order you took them out. All right, and with that, our install is complete.